CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Welcome back, car enthusiasts and industry insiders. Car Help Out here, a simple way to get a mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. Today, we're diving into a topic that could shake the automotive world to its core: China's export ban on gallium and the United States' potential tariffs. Now, you might be thinking, Doug, what's so special about gallium? And don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast in as-is condition anywhere in U.S., go to carhelpout.com/house and get a relief. This silvery metal might not be as flashy as a chrome bumper, but trust me, it's crucial. We're talking about the backbone of semiconductors, the brains behind your car's electronics, those fancy LED headlights, and the future of electric vehicles. So, what exactly is gallium, and why should you care? Picture this, a metal that melts in your hand. That's gallium. But don't let its low melting point fool you. It's a workhorse in the world of semiconductors. The secret sauce that makes chips in your car efficient and powerful. Without gallium producing high-performance chips for EVs and autonomous cars, forget it.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Now let's talk about semiconductors. If you've tried to buy a car recently, you know these little guys are in high demand. The auto industry has been grappling with a global chip shortage, and this gallium situation, well, it's like throwing gasoline on an already raging fire. Fewer chips mean fewer cars, longer wait times, and higher prices. Okay, so we've got a gallium squeeze, and the United States is considering slapping a 100% tariff on imports. What does that mean for you and me? In a nutshell, it means things could get expensive. We're talking about a potential doubling in the cost of those gallium-based components. Automakers can either eat the cost or pass it on to us, the consumers.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Electric vehicles are supposed to be the future of transportation, right? Cleaner, more efficient, the whole 9 yards. But here's the thing, gallium plays a critical role in making those EVs affordable and practical. Without it, production costs could skyrocket, making those government incentives look like a drop in the bucket. This trade war could throw a serious wrench in the gears of EV adoption. So what are automakers doing about this whole mess? Well, they're scrambling, to put it mildly. They're scouring the globe for new sources of gallium, trying to lock down supplies before things get even tighter. Some companies are even talking about ramping up domestic production here in the U.S. But building those gallium facilities takes time, money, and a whole lot of red tape.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
This isn't just about gallium, folks. This is about a much larger trade war brewing between the U.S. and China. If things escalate, it could get ugly. Imagine China retaliating with restrictions on U.S. automakers. Companies like Tesla and General Motors could lose ground. It's a high-stakes game, and the global auto industry is watching. Let's face it, folks, in trade wars, it's the consumer who gets caught in the crossfire. Rising costs, tariffs, supply chain disruptions, they all add up to higher prices for us. That new car you've been eyeing, it might be even further out of reach now. It's a lose-lose situation. Higher prices for automakers and fewer affordable options for consumers.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Gallium isn't just about today's cars, it's about the future of automotive technology. We're talking about self-driving cars, energy-efficient EVs, advanced safety systems, all those innovations that are supposed to revolutionize the way we drive. But without a steady supply of gallium, those dreams could be put on hold. That's the potential fallout of this Gallium game, and it's a future none of us want to see.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Okay, so it sounds pretty bleak, right? But before we all head for the hills, let's talk about potential solutions. Investing in domestic gallium production is a good start. Recycling old electronics to recover gallium is another avenue. And forging new trade alliances with countries that have untapped gallium reserves. These solutions offer a glimmer of hope in uncertain times for the auto industry. The automotive industry faces constant challenges. From the chip shortage to the shift towards electric vehicles, automakers have weathered many storms. The gallium situation adds another wrench, but innovation and adaptability often win. CarHelpo.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, Automotive Auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.